Ndị Nkem kakunumetata unanokofuma. This is Mononedi and this is Bridging with Mononedi. And as you all know, Bridging with Mononedi is where I talk about the things that are long forgotten and all the times I talk about the things that matter. So today I want to ask you how you're doing. How are you doing? I know that this is a difficult time for all of us. Trying times, really. So how have you been holding on? With all the social distancing and self-isolation going on, quarantining, big words, new words. How are you holding on? What's up? Mm? I need to know that you're fine. I want to know that you're okay. So, how have you been spending your days? Let me know. Comment below. I'd like to do a live video soon, in a few days. Let me know if you want on YouTube or on Instagram. Okay? Let's just chat and catch up and know how everyone is doing. Also, I like to say that, when we say social distancing, don't just limit it to people, limit it to the things that can affect your mental health also. So, if all of this news with all that is going on is going to take a toll on your mental health and make your anxiety levels rise, then you need to take a break from the news. Be aware, but don't be overly involved with it. Don't breathe, eat, drink the news. Take time out, find fun things to do, create time for home spa day, make a homemade face mask and use it. Have time to do coloring, drawing, doodling, whatever. I take out time now every day to paint. Download one of this coloring app. So that's my new painting and coloring tool. So I do that once or twice a day. It helps along with reading and catching up on the TV because I don't like TV really. That's just the truth. So yeah, find things to do, fun things, call up your family members, know how they're doing, call up your friends, video call, Zoom, whatever, anything. We can all be so far yet so near, you know. Take time to rediscover yourself, get reacquainted with you. Use all of this time to get reacquainted with yourself, to fall in love with you again. Okay? And do take care of yourself. Know that you're loved. Alright? Bye.